Hello, thanks for joining us today. I'm going to be going over my October LRP, which is the Loyalty Rewards Program box that I just received from doTERRA. I'm just kind of touching on each of the items that are in it and a little bit about each of them. So feel free to comment below if you've got any questions. I would love to answer them. So let's dive in and get started. The first is this side over here on the left. So this is the stuff that I actually paid for in my order this month. So the first item that I got was a tube of deep blue rub. So this actually came in a set called the Daily Pack that comes with a Lifelong Vitality Pack, which is our supplements that you take each day. So there's 3 parts to the supplement. And then I also was able to add the Terrazyme. This is the digestive enzymes that I take every day to help break down food. A probiotic, which helps to get your food through your gut. And this also has a double encapsulated, so it actually has a prebiotic, which helps it to get farther into your gut. So with that daily pack, you get all of this. You get a tube of our deep blue rub. So this is a muscle rub that's really great on those achy and sore things that you might find after a workout. The other 5 oils that come in that daily pack is a bottle of lemon oil. This is really great for cleaning fruit, detoxifying your body, having in your water. Also, you get a 5 ml of Balance, and so Balance is the grounding blend. It's one of my favorites for helping to calm and reduce and bring down all the anxiety that you might be feeling. Also very good on the bottoms of your feet to help to actually physically balance yourself during workouts. The next is On Guard. This is our protective blend, and so this is perfect going into the fall time. It allows you to help protect your body from all that nasty crud that goes around that your friends like to share this time of year. So this is the protective blend, and I like to use it in my hand soap. I like to use it to clean my countertops this time of year. And then it also actually smells like a beautiful fall candle without the synthetics and the fragrances in your diffuser. So this is a really great one to have. You also get a 5 ml bottle of frankincense. So frankincense is actually the king of oils. Frankincense is pretty much when in doubt, frank it out. So you can pull this out and you can use it on anything as a layering with something else or just on its own if you're not sure what to use for whatever's going on. And the last of the oils that comes in that set together is lavender. So lavender is super, super calming, soothing, great for all your muscles and that type of thing. I love to use it on if you have some sun irritation or some bug irritation on your skin. It's super calming to those issues that you might be facing. And then also I love to use it in my diffuser to promote a restful night's sleep. So I picked up that set just because it had a lot of things that I was interested in getting this month while having a nice package where I didn't have to order everything individually. So the next thing that I ordered was 3 of the doTERRA moisturizing bath bar. So this is what my husband loves to use in the shower. It's relatively unscented, but to me it just smells so good. The other thing that I use it for is I shred it and I actually put it in my homemade laundry soap, which you can check out my video for that if you're interested. So I got the 3-pack of that just because it's actually basically buy 2, get 1 free if you buy the 3-pack. So I snagged that up while I was ordering. And then the next thing that I grabbed was Balance deodorant. So this is the new deodorant that just came out at convention in September. And I've been using my other one and I do not want to run out. This is the best non-toxic, chemical-free deodorant that I have found. And then it smells like Balance, our grounding blend right here that I talked about a little bit earlier. And so it really helps to ground you, smells good. And yes, I wear it after my workouts, before my workouts, all those things. And it holds up and does the test of time. And it scores a 1 on the Environmental Working Group's page based on the ingredients that are listed on the deodorant. And so this is an awesome non-toxic option if you're looking to switch over your deodorant and smell good. It works great for men and women. And one thing that you can do if it's getting a little dried out at all on the top, which isn't normally much of an issue, I tend to do it by choice so that I get in a little extra balance each day. But you can actually apply a drop of balance to the top here before you put it on, and it will help it glide on super smooth. Men tend to like maybe a sandalwood or a cedar wood drop on top of theirs. So I actually snagged an extra one so that I make sure I don't run out and that my husband can also enjoy the deodorant as well. Okay, so the next thing that I grabbed is some resources here. These are resources that I use when I teach classes. They are all 50% off this month, and so I went ahead and I grabbed a bunch of those that I was needing to restock on. Really helpful when I teach classes to not have to come up with flyers and handouts, since doTERRA does that for us. And then the last thing that was also 50% off is cap stickers. So if you've got your bottles, you can see that there's a little ring, there's a little ring here in the middle. You can actually put these cap stickers right on top so that it's really easy to tell what an oil is from the top. If they're in a box or sitting on your countertop, it makes it easier to see. So I picked up a couple of sheets of those since they were on sale. That way I could replenish some of the ones that I'm missing. And then the last thing that I paid for in this pack is the aroma. This is the diffuser blend book that doTERRA released at convention, and it's a limited time, so snag it in your back office if you are interested. But I am just loving this book. It has different diffuser recipes or blends that you can use for different things. And so this one I just happened to turn to is like a travel page, and so based on where you're at, you might want to diffuse different things to help with your environment. Another page, so this is a great page. It has some blends for the common areas in your home. So if you're having guests over or something like that and you want to make your home very warm and welcoming and neutral, these are some great options. If you're having a wedding and you want to encourage different moods within the wedding and the setting, there's some options here too. So this book, actually I grabbed 3 of them to give to some of my leaders that I'm supporting, and it's 196, 200 pages though of great resources and diffuser blends with some pretty pictures. So make sure you snag this before it's gone if you're interested. And now on to the fun freebies. And so that's everything I paid for. This over here is everything I got for free. So with doTERRA, you can choose to get on the loyalty rewards program, which is something that I have opted to join into, which pretty much just means that as long as you order 1 item per month, you get your shipping reimbursed, you get free product every month, and you earn points towards more free products. And so this month I redeemed some of my points because I was interested in getting some stuff that we needed around the house to refill, and I didn't want to pay for all of it because I don't have to with my points. So one of the things that I did grab was digest tabs. So this is something new. I have not actually tried these yet, but I'm really excited. These can be used almost like a Tums replacement. So if you're dealing with anything that you would normally use Tums for, this is a tablet that you could take instead. Much healthier, much less toxic option. And so they're a chewable tablet. So I'm excited to try these because I tend to deal with some warm sensations in my upper GI areas. So the next one that I ordered was Slim and Sassy. This is the metabolic blend in the soft gels. And so I take these every day with my Lifelong Vitality Pack, my Terrazyme, my probiotics. I take these to help support a healthy metabolism and keep things going. So I actually ordered 4 of them because while I'm redeeming points, I like to just grab a bunch so that I don't have to remember to put them in my cart every month. The other Slim and Sassy product that I grabbed was 2 containers of the vanilla trim shake. So my husband and I use these in smoothies almost every morning. So I grabbed a couple of those because we tend to go through a lot of it with how many smoothies that we make. The other thing that I grabbed over here, going into fall, On Guard is the protective blend, and so I grabbed some sanitizing mist. I use this as a hand sanitizer replacement. It's way better, feels better on my skin, smells better, and it's in a sprayer form, so it's really easy to spray on like little kids' hands or on your shopping cart when you're at the store. So I snagged up a couple of those for free because we're using them in my purse, in the car. I've got one at work, so they kind of run around everywhere, so I replaced a couple of those. The other On Guard product that I snagged was the doTERRA On Guard Natural Whitening Toothpaste. So this is the only toothpaste that James and I use in our home. It is got the On Guard flavor to it, so it's kind of a cinnamon, a little clove, but it's not spicy at all, and it actually just makes my mouth feel so much cleaner than regular minty toothpaste or any of those whitening toothpaste that have a lot of chemicals and synthetics and crap in it that's not good for our teeth and our gums. So let me know if you want a sample of this. I would love to send it out to you because this stuff's just delicious. Not that you eat it, but makes my mouth feel so much cleaner. Another thing, I actually grabbed 4 of these as well. These are the doTERRA introductory kit. So doTERRA's gone through and put in a pretty little box a bottle of lavender, lemon, and peppermint. So I give these away to class hosts or people who, help me to promote my business and that type of stuff. So I snagged a couple of them, 4 of them, just to replenish my stock because I was out. Lemon, lavender, and peppermint really are the starter trio. If you don't have anything else in the doTERRA world, I would at least snag these 3 because they can take care of like over 200 things with one of these 3 oils right here. So you're going to get your calming lavender that we talked about. You're going to get your detoxifying and cleansing lemon, and then you're going to get peppermint, which is really great for digestive, respiratory, and cooling. So you can get that little pack all together for like $20. So that's super easy. Okay, so then the last things we're going to go over are the things I got for free just for ordering. So everything we just talked about was free because I used points. But lemon this month, if you order 125 PV, you get a free bottle of lemon. So as we talked about, I use it for cleaning all my fruit, which is why we go through so much of it. I use it to clean the countertops. You can use it in your glass cleaner, on your windows and mirrors, and so this just smells good. It smells great in the diffuser too. So I got that one for free from doTERRA. Thank you, doTERRA. And then this month, doTERRA is running a 200 PV promo. So if you order 200 PV worth of product, which I did, you get these 3 bottles of oil, which you can't even buy these 3 for free. And so it's clementine, kumquat, and red mandarin. I'm loving the citrus smell, but getting to change it up from my basic, lemon or a tangerine or a wild orange, and try something new in the diffuser. So these are really pretty. And then you also, with that 200 PV promo, you get the iris diffuser. So this diffuser, I'll open it up for you, is perfect for in the car. You could also use it if you have a small workplace or want to have a diffuser sitting in your office or something like that, and you don't have room for a full-blown one. So the iris diffuser, you can't buy it, but it was offered at convention a couple years ago, and so it fits perfectly in the size of a cup holder and just sits in there. And then all you do is pop this little top off, fill it with water, a couple drops of whatever oil you want, close it back up. And then there's a button here to turn the mister on and off, and then you can also have it rotate through lights. So if you've got kids sleeping in the car, they're used to having a diffuser at home in their bedroom or something like that, you can mimic some of those environmental things that they're used to. This iris diffuser is not available for purchase, so this is a beautiful little diffuser and would be perfect to snag up this month. I'm also running a sale this weekend that you can get this diffuser for free, so let me know if you're interested. It runs on a USB, and so not your standard outlet, but it could plug into a computer, it can plug into your car. But if you need to buy a converter, they're like a couple bucks on Amazon or the dollar store or whatever to get a converter from an USB to an outlet, or a USB into a cigarette lighter if your car doesn't have the USB. So that is what I ordered this month and all of the fun things that I got for free. So please comment below if you've got any questions. I would love to answer them, and enjoy the rest of your day.